Welcome to a new video. We're gonna show you how to put ink in this machine. So it's HP Think Tank. I think 530. I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna put on the flashlight, black one. Okay. You can see the way you do it. So it has the bottles. How many bottles they gave us? This is black one. They gave us a couple of, maybe they gave us two blacks. So
I think it's one for each except for black.
One for each?
Yeah, one for
each.
The
then
colors
yeah,
is one for each. Then
yeah.
black is 3.
Okay, this is a brand new printer, so they give you black 3 because it works too much. So what they did, they give us three bottles. Also, they give us these 3, one for each here. So we're gonna. It has a cover. This thing. It's gonna open it for you and see. Okay. So when you open it, the yellow. So it has a cover. You take out the cover. You take out the seal. Then you put back the cover. Then you open here. Then you just put it on top of that. Then you leave it. You can see it's going down.
Okay, black is full now.
Okay, black is full. Is it all? So we don't have to put another. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna throw this. Same thing on the M. Okay, you can see the way yellow is finished also. Done. So take out. You can see this cap, you don't have to lose it. So each color I put it on the same color. Okay. So now we remain with one bottle. Okay. So now we're gonna use something fell down. Okay.
It's moving.
It's moving.
Yeah, you can feel it when you hold it.
Okay. You can feel it, the vibrations.
Done, yeah?
Done. No more vibrations. Okay, done, guys. But one thing you don't have to forget is the top. This top, you can see. This cap is so important. So if you don't have it, you won't refill. You can see how it is here. You can't refill if you don't have that. You can see how it is on top here. So once you're done with everything, then you just have to clip them back, clip back, and also lock here. The printer is brand new, so always they put on some stickers somewhere, plastic stickers. So you have to make sure every sticker is out, so that okay, this side everything is fine. It comes with this cable and also what they call a USB cable, printer cable. No, this is not the printer cable. Okay, it comes with 2, which is a good thing, but also we need the 3rd cable, which should be.
You put the printer, they don't 3.
No, the printer cable should be here. Unless if they didn't give us some. What is that? Oh, the heads. Wow, they gave us the printer heads. No, don't open, don't open. Let's see if there are some inside.
No, there's nothing inside.
There's no.
Normally they put this, which we have to turn.
Oh, guys, there's no printer heads. Okay, I've seen. Okay, this is good. So also they gave us 2 printer heads. They give you the black one and the one which mixes other colors. So this is the one.
This thing is supposed to come out.
You need to see what you're touching. Okay. I have to press this.
Press there.
Okay.
Yes. Then remove it.
Okay. Press that, then we remove. Guys, they didn't see how we did it, but it's fine. But you have to take out this when the printer is new.
But the advantage, it has an arrow.
Oh, it has the arrow.
It shows you how to turn
You
it.
turn it, okay?
Then remove it.
So now he's gonna put in the heads. Okay, this head, it could cost you $150 US, and the machine is for $200 US. So they are very expensive, these heads, but they take longer to get messed up anyway. So this is the black one. It always, in most cases, goes on the left hand, on the right hand side, and you will never make a mistake because they are not of the same size. So let's try to put them in. Okay, I put in one here already, so we're gonna put in the second one, which is this. Okay, good. So he took out that sticker also. This goes this side also. So you put it, okay, you press it in. Once you press them in nicely, you can see they are 2 now. 1, 2. So you close this. Okay, once you close that, then you're fine. So when you on the machine, it's gonna start moving around. Okay, that's it. So now what we need is to put in, but there's something missing in my own head. We need to have a printer cable.
Are you sure they bring it to the printer?
This is a remote for it. This is not the plastic.
Because this is what was there.
Yeah, okay. So which means they didn't give us a printer cable, which is crazy. But anyway, that's their packaging, so we won't do anything. So what we need to do is to connect the machine to the power. That's it.
Next office. Make the office net.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna connect it here. Okay. Once we connect, we're gonna. Okay, the machine is connected now. So we're gonna just on the machine. Then we test, then we're done. Okay. We have power here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, he switched on the machine.
It's on now.
Okay, but it's a slow machine. 530. Yes, HP think tank, smart tank. 530. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna make a copy. That's it. I think we need a copy, a color copy. We're gonna make a copy of this machine. These are slips, I think. Whatever you want to make.
I'm trying to find something that's got color,
Okay, but this has color.
which is not black and white.
Oh, okay. It's a slow machine. You're gonna be patient. Have to be patient. Drag. So we load paper. Then you can see it's a slow machine, but it has quality printout, so it can take maybe 5 pages per minute. That's how slow it is.
Bloqueo.
It can give you maybe 5 pages per minute, but it's a good machine.
I think it's because it's the test page, isn't it? Because I'm not photocopying this one. It's printing on its own. Where is my code for the printer?
That's your printer. Okay, he has also a printer cable here. Okay. Connect it here. Okay. Once your laptop has internet, once you put it, it should get its own drivers. Once they don't give you a CD for drivers these days. So once you connect, so you can see it's making a very good copy. It's trying to do the setups, the alignment, and all that. You can see how it's the first page you're gonna get before you do anything. So very beautiful page. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in this next video.